Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to note down the important theory question that you need to study for last minute revision under the subject Customer Relationship Management. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS M5 student. In this video, we are going to note down all the questions, the important question that you need to cover up in the last moment from each module. Okay, chalo, so let us see one by one. From the very first module, these are the five questions that you need to cover up. Number one, what are the features, the objectives and the benefits of CRM? Second, explain the evolution of CRM. Now remember, the first question can be asked separately also. Okay, what are the features of CRM, or what are the objectives of CRM, and what are the benefits of CRM? Okay, second, explain the evolution of CRM. Third, highlight the various components of CRM. Next, what are the key features of SLA in CRM? And explain the segments of customers as per profitability or customer profitability segments. Okay, it can be asked in the other way also. Okay, so these are the top 5 questions that you need to cover up in module 1. You all can go through it once. Okay, now from second module, these are the top 8 questions that you need to cover up. Number 1, what is cross-selling and upselling, and explain with various examples. Second, what is data management and what are the types of data. Third, what are the types of data analysis tool. Next, what are the methods to improve customer retention, and illustrate with examples. Next, what are the techniques to handle customers. Next, what is the role of channel optimization, personalization and event based marketing in CRM? That's one question only. Okay, these are not two different questions, it's a continuation, it just came down. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so only 6 questions have to be covered up in module 2. You all can go through it once. Okay, next from module 3, here are the following 5 questions. Number 1, bring out the relevance of 3 E's in CRM. Second, write a note on CRM strategy cycle. Third, how is CRM implemented in an organization? Fourth, what is customer value and how to create customer value? Fifth, what is customer loyalty ladder? Illustrate with example wherever possible. And last, what is customer satisfaction and what are the importance of the same? Okay, these are the 6 important questions from module 3. You all can go through it once. Okay, and the last module, what following are the questions. Number 1, what are the various software application of eCRM? What are the various levels of eCRM? Third, write a note on social network and CRM. Fourth, what are the advantages of mobile CRM? Fifth, write a note on self-service and CRM. Next, what are the recent global trends in CRM? Second last, what are the key CRM challenges and bring out the ethical issues in CRM. That's a very important topic, okay? So you can go through it once. Okay, I hope everyone have noted the important topics that you need to cover up under CRM. Okay, chalo. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.